Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: VS Code, Git, and a GitHub account. Open your project in VS Code and check the built-in source control panel. Next, generate a GitHub personal access token with repo permissions. This replaces a password for secure authentication. Once done, open the integrated terminal and run Git in it if needed, then git remote add origin repo URL to link a local repo to GitHub. Make sure VS Code's Git extension is active so you can continue visually. Now you'll create a commit and authenticate. Stage your changes using the source control icons or git add. In the terminal, then commit with a clear message. When you push, VS Code will prompt for credentials. Paste your GitHub personal access token as the password. Alternatively, configure the Git credential helper to cache the token so you won't re-enter it each time. If your remote wasn't set earlier, run git push uorigin main or master to create the remote branch and link upstream for future pushes. Finish by confirming your changes appear on GitHub. Refresh the repository page to see commits and files. You can improve workflow by adding SSH keys later for passwordless pushes. Generate a key pair, and add the public key to GitHub. If you encounter errors on push, first check the remote URL via git remote v and ensure your token has repo scope. Update stored credentials or rerun git remote set URL origin if needed. If conflicts occur, pull resolve, then commit and push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.